Hello guys, welcome to my channel Top Gear. This is the 44mm metal strap for Apple Watch Series 6. Before unboxing this, it would be gracious if you hit the subscribe and the bell button. So come on guys, let's unbox this. First let's just take the seal out. And on the top there are some instructions to fix the strap. Now we'll just take out the strap. It has a shiny look to it. You can also adjust it as you wish. There you can see it on both angles. And these are the buckles of the watch. There you can see it. First is graphite, then silver, and at last gold. These straps also come in two different sizes as well. So there you can see the metal strap with the watch in alternate angles. Now I'll show you how to fix the strap to the watch. First take the strap with the watch. Then simply slide the strap to the watch like that. Do it on the other side as well. And then tighten it as you wish. There you can see it's completely fixed and now you are good to go. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching and please give it a like if you like the content of this video.